Parameters of a web API can be obtained from the values in a request header also. For this, an attribute called FromHeader is used to decorate a parameter, and it provides an easy access to the value contained in the header of that name. In this tutorial, we shall learn how to bind a header to a web API parameter, and for continuity, please go through the previous tutorial where we saw how to bind a query string variable to a parameter. We already have a web API project that we created in the previous tutorial where we bound a query string variable to a parameter of our web API. The completed project can be downloaded from the downloads attached to this and the previous video. Open the Solution Explorer and locate the program.cs file. Double-click to open this file and scroll to the part that you are seeing here. The getWeb API that you are seeing here, it contains 3 parameters. The first has been decorated as FromRoute and is bound to the segment called ID. The second parameter is bound to a query string variable, and we have discussed it completely in the previous tutorial. The third parameter of interest in this tutorial is connected to a header value called user agent. An HTTP header is often used to pass additional information about how the resource has to be fetched and also about the requesting client itself. It can contain information about authentication, caching, user agent, content negotiation headers like accept encoding, accept language, connection management headers like keep alive, conditionals like e-tags, last modified, if match, and so on. This parameter has been decorated as FromHeader, which means that it is derived from a header variable. The handler receives it through an identifier called UA and echoes it back. Run the project and type a GET request with a suitable URL. We observe that the result succeeds and the user agent is echoed back without errors. This is how we can bind a parameter to a header source. Thank you.